My patients often complain. Sometimes they have to go out with friends. Sometimes they are a guest, and guests cannot complain about their food, isn't it? So they have to eat refined sugars even if they don't like it. So today I'll tell you a way to eat refined sugars without raising your blood sugar levels. And trust me, this is not short of magic. So watch the video till the end. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and today I'll tell you a way that even white sugar will not disturb your sugar levels. So I have here a bowl of rasmalai. Rasmalai is sweetened dumplings in a bowl of sweetened condensed milk. So I have checked my sugar levels before eating these dumplings, it is 87, and now I'll have my bowl of rasmalai. Rasmalai has everything bad you can think of. It has refined flour, it has hydrogenated oils. Basically, the only good thing about rasmalai is milk. If it is milk, that is to say. Otherwise, powdered milk is usually used. So, to my bowl of rasmalai, I'll add a few drops of stevia. This is cardamom flavored stevia by Oriza. They have a great range of different flavored drops like vanilla and chocolate. I think vanilla would also have been fine, but I added cardamom. Anyway, I ate the whole bowl and set my timer to 1 hour. So let's see what happens after an hour. Will stevia be able to overcome all the refined sugars and the refined oils and the refined flours? Let's see. After 1 hour, I pricked my finger again and checked my sugar levels. They came out to be 78. Literally, the sugar levels reversed. So if you are in a setting where you cannot control the sugars, the refined sugars that are being fed to you or other ingredients of your food, stevia can literally cancel the effects of the sugar at least. Trust me, I too was amazed by these findings. And I know that in an ideal situation, the rasmalai should have been made with stevia powder. The same company has stevia powder also, and I'll share the rasmalai recipe with stevia powder once my channel reaches 1000 subscribers. So subscribe to our channel and share this video with all the diabetics you know who are in a setting where they cannot control their food. This is a way in which they can at least control their sugar levels. And I promise with you to share the recipe of a sugar-free rasmalai that will not raise your sugar levels. Anyway, just to show you what a normal rasmalai can do to your sugar levels, I did the experiment again. I pricked myself again and checked my sugar levels before eating the rasmalai. It was 73. Then I ate another bowl of rasmalai without adding the stevia drops. Okay, I have not eaten rasmalai for the past 12 years, and now for your sake, I have eaten rasmalai twice in the same day. Anyway, I always say I am not diabetic, so you cannot translate my findings to your findings. If you are diabetic, your body might behave differently. Your stevia might behave differently, so you have to do the experiment. Anyway, after 1 hour of eating the bowl of rasmalai without stevia, my sugar levels came out to be 88. That is a 15 unit rise. Because this time, stevia was not there to neutralize the sugar spike. And keep in mind, by adding stevia, you will not cancel the effect of lactose. If you are lactose intolerant, you will still be lactose intolerant even after adding stevia. If you are gluten sensitive, the gluten sensitivity will still be there. If powdered milk or hydrogen oils are used, the bad effects of those things will still remain there. But this is a great weapon to lower your blood sugar levels. The stevia powder that I have shown you and the drops, these are all available in our clinic. In the comment section below, let me know, have you tried this on yourself, and what stevia did you use, and on what did you use it? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.